was the shadow in your light, standing close but out of sight. Gave you all the love I knew, still my heart was lost to you. Late night calls that fade away, promises you couldn't say. Now the silence knows my name, and nothing ever feels the same. I was a story left untold, a hand you never chose to hold. Now I'm learning how to breathe without the love you took from me. I'm the forgotten, left in the rain, carrying memories and all of the pain. You moved on, but I'm holding on to a love that's already gone. I'm the forgotten, lost in your eyes, buried beneath a thousand goodbyes. Maybe one day you'll remember my heart, the one you left in the dark. Pictures fading on the wall, echoes of your midnight call. Every road I walk alone feels like searching for a home. You were fine